The record-breaking rally on Dalal Street. The winning waves are back. The bulls are in firm control. The Nifty cruised past 9,500 to close at yet another record high. The Sensex, meanwhile, that surged almost 450 points thanks to a rebound in banking stocks. The star performer today was L&T that gained 5%. Avan Dubash joining us with today's market highlights. Avan, it's expiry day and yet a record closing.
Well, what a day it was on D Street, clearly belonging to the bulls, and they charged ahead with quite a bit of conviction. I mean, if you would ask any market expert in the morning what their view was, I don't think they would have envisaged such a ferocious move on the frontline index. So 9,500 on the Nifty, back again. We were just about 30 points short of that record high. The Sensex too piled on a good 400 points or so, with the mid and the small cap indices outperforming with quite a bit of conviction. This series, the frontline indices have gained about 1%. The mid cap indices have had it a bit rough for the series gone by. The stocks that led the Nifty recovery have been the likes of Infosys, TCS, Bosch as well as Tata Motors. The Nifty Bank today hit a record high. PSUs contributed. Infrastructure did well, as did real estate and IT. It was only pharma that stood out like a lone soldier in the red on the back of the kind of news flow that we've seen within this space, as well as FMCG. L&T led the way. ICICI Bank outperformed. Bosch held out on the back of a strong set of earnings. IndusInd Bank as well as HDFC Bank leading from the front, while all of your losers were Lupin, Reddy, Cipla. IT names add to that list Tata Steel and ITC. Some of the newsmakers held out, like a Bharat Financial, which did very well. Raymond recovered in the session on some concerns. You had Dish TV reacting to an abysmal set of earnings. SP Apparel held out very well, and Syntex on the back of the demerger. On the broader end of the market, lots of other mid-caps like the JP group of stocks, Bajaj Hindustan, Jain Irrigation, Dhanlakshmi Bank, Voltas, Chambal Fertilizers held out. So today was clear day for the bulls. We'll have to see whether or not this was just a flash in the pan move or it's here to stay. Come tomorrow, the likes of Tech Mahindra, Sun Pharma, ITC and ONGC all set to deliver their numbers.